The cell is the outer edge of the cell and forms the cell wall is the outer edge of the cell and forms the boundary between the inside of the cell and with all its organelles and extracellular matrix. The cell brain is composed of a lipid bilayer, which is spontaneously in aqueous environment as hydrophobic tails of lipids press together while hydrophilic head groups of lipids form a protective boundary to keep water out. The cell membrane is the outer edge of the cell and forms boundary between inside of the cell with all its organelles and extracellular matrix. The cell membrane is composed of a lipid bilayer, which forms spontaneously in aqueous environment as hydrophobic tails of lipids press together while hydrophilic heads groups of the lipids form a protective boundary to keep water out. The cytosol is a thick gel-like fluid that fills the space inside of a cell in which the organelles are suspended. The name of the total contents of the cell minus the nucleus is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm plus the suspended organelles. The nucleus. The nucleus has two main functions. It contains all the deoxyribonucleic acid DNA of the cell and directs the activities of the cell. The nucleus is a small area. The nucleolus is a small area within the nucleus where the ribosomes are made. Ribosomes are endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is composed of interconnected membranous channels are called cisternae connected to nuclear membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum functions in transportation and modification of molecules. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is composed of interconnected membranous channels are called cisternae connected to nuclear membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum functions in transportation and modification of molecules. Ribosomes are organelles made of ribonucleic acid, RNA, the protein, and are either attached to endoplasmic reticulum or suspended in the cytosol. Ribosomes facilitate protein synthesis. The Golgi body is a complex vesicles in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria are large organelles that have both inner and outer membrane, as well as their own mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondria at the site of cellular respiration in cells, where oxygen and glucose are converted into adenosine trisulfate ATP, which our cells use for energy. The chloroplast is composed of a network of filaments and tubules that allow the organelles to self-refract in place and give the cell strength and shape. The cytoplasm can also play a role in the transport within the cell.